in today's video we're going to do something fun. I have an inexpensive Easter egg mold. This is about $5 on Amazon, and I also have some nice milk chocolate that I am ready to pipe with. So I'm just going to open this up and let's start filling the little molds. So if you've got chocolate hanging around, any type of chocolate will do, and an inexpensive mold, you can have some fun. You can take some just boring old chocolate and turn it into something fun. And if you have children, this is an awesome little project to try. I'm just going to fill these up. So I am using just regular chocolate. This has not been tempered. And I heated the chocolate, I melted it down with a double boiler. So you just take a pot of water, simmering, you can let it simmer and then just turn it off, and then place a heat-proof bowl over the water on your pot, and the chocolate will gently melt. And that's it. So since this is not tempered, we're just going to firm it up in the fridge. And once the chocolate firms up in the fridge, then it will just easily pop out of this mold. As chocolate cools, it contracts, and that's the magic in having it release from the mold. And you can add anything to these. You could add a little bit less chocolate and then throw in some kind of nuts, which would be fun as well, but for this one I'm just going plain. There we go, good enough. And then I'm just going to start tapping this. So tapping it brings air bubbles to the top, and it also evens out the top of the chocolate here. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to pop this into my fridge for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and we'll unmold them. And if you do get chocolate in between, you can just clean those off, and that'll just help with them popping out. So here we are about a half an hour later. My chocolate looks all nicely set up, so let's see what happens. Oh, nice break. Look at that. And there we go. Look at all those nice little chocolates. So we've just used some nice milk chocolate, and we've just turned that into some really nice Easter eggs. And I am super impressed. For non-tempered chocolate, I'm still getting a very nice little shine on the outer shell. So let's just break into one of these. And there we go. Nice little snap, because they are still cold. But look at that, really nice. Oh yeah. So we've come to the end of another video. I just wanted to show you what you can do with a very inexpensive mold and some chocolate. So if you got kids, this is a really fun thing to try out. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.
And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.